Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me. Today we are continuing with our letter M, moving on to 50 intermediate words of henceforth. Magnify, bada karna. The microscope can magnify tiny objects. Malice, dvesh. He spoke with malice in his voice. Manner, tarika. His manner of speaking is very polite. Mansion, haveli. The millionaire lives in a huge mansion. Margin, kinara. Please write within the margin of the paper. Marshal, सैनिक अधिकारी एकत्रित करना. The marshal ordered the soldiers to advance. Masked, नकाब पोश. The thief was masked to hide his identity. Mastery, nipurta. She showed mastery over the piano. Mature, paripakva. He has become more mature over the years. Mediate, madhyasthata karna. She was asked to mediate between the two parties. Meek, vinamra. The meek child always obeys her parents. Melody, dhun. The melody of the song was very soothing. Memorize, yaad karna. She had to memorize the entire poem for the competition. Mentor, margdarshak. He became a mentor during his studies. Merciful, dayalu. The merciful king pardoned the prisoner. Merge, vilay karna. The two companies decided to merge to improve business. Merit, gun. His hard work is his greatest merit. Methodical, vyavasthit. She followed a methodical approach to complete the project. Mimic, nakal karna. He can mimic the voice of his favorite actor. Mindset, mansikta. Positive mindset can lead to success. Mirage, mrik trishna. The lake in the desert turned out to be a mirage. Misfit, anupyukt vyakti. He felt like a misfit at his new school. Mobilize, ekatra karna. The government is trying to mobilize resources for the disaster. Modest, vinamra. She is a modest person despite her success. Modify, sanshodhit karna. The software was modified to improve its performance. Monarchy, rajtantra. The country still follows a monarchy system. Morale, mansik sthiti. The team's morale was high after their victory. Morsel, kaur. She ate a morsel of cake after dinner. Motive, uddeshya. His motive for helping her was pure kindness. Mourn, shok karna. They mourned the loss of their beloved pet. Muffle, dabana. The blanket muffled the sound of the storm outside. Multiple, kai. The company offers multiple services to its customers. Mural, Divar Chitra. The artist painted a beautiful mural on the building's wall. Mutiny, Bhagavat. Soldiers mutinied against their unfair commanders. Migrate, Pravas karna. Birds migrate to warmer climates during winter. Meddle, Hastakshep karna. It's better not to meddle in other people's business. Moderate, Madhyam. The weather is moderate today, neither too hot nor too cold. Medley, Mishran. The concert featured a medley of different musical styles. Murmur, Badabarana. She murmured the few words in his ears. Minimize, Ghatana. It's important to minimize waste in the kitchen. Marvel, Chamatkrit Hona. Chamatkari cheese. He marveled at the beauty of the sunset. Mellow, Mulayam. The music became mellow as the night went on. Muster, Ekatra Karna. The general ordered the troops to muster at dawn. Mischief, Shararat. Children's mischief made everyone laugh. Monopoly, Ekadhikar. The company has a monopoly on the smartphone market. Militant, Yuddhavadi. The militant group demanded justice for the oppressed. Monstrous, Rakshasi. The monstrous waves threatened the ship. Mandate, Adesh. The government issued a mandate for all citizens to register. Mutual, Apasi. They have a mutual respect for each other's opinions. Misery, Dukh. The refugees lived in misery due to the war. That's that for today. I shall see you in the next one.